Hi, I'm Matt, and this is Learnade. I built it because the way someone needs to study can change from day to day. One course can become accessible reading, focus work, flashcards, quizzes, mock exams, a narrated review in brain rot mode, or a personalized study plan. Learnade builds study materials in three ways. The private local generator is the no AI option. It uses source-grounded rules, works immediately, and calls no language model. The on-device option downloads a small, free Qwen model of about 500 megabytes and runs it in a supported browser, keeping the source on the device. GPT 5.6 Terra is optional. This submission uses a protected rate-limited connection, and I use my OpenAI access to enhance the three anatomy sources that we'll see coming up. A real rollout would use the learner's or institution's credentials, not my personal key, obviously. With a focus on inclusivity, the accessible reader takes coursework and study materials and allows you to toggle on a open dyslexic font or a line focus mode that highlights the segment that I'm currently reading and adjust text size all on the fly. For ADHD support, focus session allows me to use a short timer, either 12 or 5 minutes, and links to recommended material for me to begin studying. If I open up that source material, that timer stays persistent so I can stay on track. I also get a nice accolade by Learnade when I've completed that. Flashcards are an excellent study tool, and they're source specific. So here are my 3 lectures that I have uploaded into Learnade. I can toggle them down to just the cardiovascular system, and here I see my term, atria, and my definition. And I also have a link to the exact location in my source materials where it's pulled that definition from. For OpenAI Build Week, I used GPT 5.6 to shape the architecture, implement the original modes and local engine, debug interactions, and build the optional GPT path. I also used GPT 5.6 Terra to enhance the 3 sources that you've seen. I then used Codex for the final release. Codex rebuilt the onboarding, fixed accessibility, mobile, focus session, attribution, and course manager issues. It added regression tests, ran the production build and all 30 tests, and published the app and public GitHub repository. Learnade gives learners different ways into the same material based on what works for their brain that day. Thank you.